The word hustle echoes through the corridors of our collective ambition. It's a term often romanticized, associated with late nights, tireless efforts, and an unyielding drive to succeed. But what lies at the heart of this ubiquitous concept? Is it merely the act of working hard, or is there a deeper, more nuanced meaning that we must uncover? Instead, it's about embracing a mindset, a relentless pursuit of one's goals fueled by passion, resilience, and an unwavering belief in oneself. Hustle is the driving force that propels us forward, even when faced with obstacles and setbacks. It's about identifying our strengths, recognizing our weaknesses, and developing a strategy that aligns with our values and aspirations. Hustle is often misconstrued as a relentless grind, a never-ending cycle of work without reprieve. However, this perception fails to capture the true essence of this powerful concept. It's not simply about working harder, it's about working smarter, leveraging our time and energy effectively to maximize our impact. At its core, hustle is about purpose-driven action. It's about aligning our efforts with our passions, finding meaning in our pursuits, and using our skills and talents to make a tangible difference. True hustle transcends superficial markers, focusing on internal satisfaction and the positive impact we make on ourselves and the world around us. Imagine leaving behind everything familiar, your home, your loved ones, your culture, and embarking on a journey into the unknown, fueled by a flicker of hope and the promise of a better life. This is the reality for countless immigrants who arrive on foreign shores, their hearts filled with a mixture of trepidation and unwavering determination. The decision to immigrate is often born out of necessity, a desperate search for opportunities that seem out of reach in their homeland. They arrive with hopes of economic stability, improved living conditions, and a chance to provide a brighter future for themselves and their children. The unfamiliar language, the cultural nuances, the complex systems and regulations all present significant hurdles. But it's in these moments of uncertainty that the true spirit of hustle ignites. The immigrant hustle is a tapestry woven from long hours, unwavering determination, and an unyielding belief in the power of hard work. They often take on multiple jobs, working tirelessly to make ends meet while pursuing education or training to enhance their skills and create new opportunities. Language barriers, cultural differences, and the lack of established networks pose significant challenges. Yet, immigrants persevere, their resilience fueled by a deep-seated desire to create a better life for themselves and their families. Many immigrants find solace and support within their own communities, forming tight-knit groups that provide a sense of belonging and a network of mutual assistance. The immigrant hustle is not simply about individual success, it's about uplifting entire communities. The path to success is rarely linear, and for immigrants it's often paved with unforeseen obstacles and heartbreaking setbacks. Discrimination, exploitation, and bureaucratic hurdles can derail even the most meticulously crafted plans. But it's in these moments of adversity that the true metal of the human spirit shines through. Immigrants possess an uncanny ability to bounce back from setbacks, to dust themselves off, and to approach challenges with renewed determination. They view failures not as defeats, but as opportunities for growth and learning. The immigrant story is a testament to the power of resilience, a beacon of hope illuminating the path for future generations. The immigrant hustle is not merely about survival, it's about thriving, about building a legacy that extends far beyond individual aspirations. From humble beginnings, immigrant entrepreneurs emerge, their stories a testament to the transformative power of hard work, innovation, and an unwavering belief in the American dream. They identify unmet needs, leverage their unique skills and perspectives, and create businesses that enrich their communities and inspire others to pursue their own entrepreneurial aspirations. Their success stories challenge stereotypes, break down barriers, and demonstrate that the American dream remains attainable for those willing to put in the effort. They embody the spirit of entrepreneurship, demonstrating that with hard work, determination, and a bit of luck, anything is possible. The impact of immigrant entrepreneurs extends far beyond the businesses they create. The immigrant journey, while challenging, is often made more bearable through the power of community. In a new land, surrounded by unfamiliar customs and languages, immigrants find solace and strength in connecting with others who share similar experiences. Community centers, places of worship, and cultural organizations become sanctuaries, providing a sense of belonging and a support system that helps navigate the complexities of integration. They offer language classes, job training programs, and legal aid, empowering newcomers to overcome obstacles and thrive in their adopted home. Within these communities, bonds of friendship are forged, transcending cultural differences and creating a sense of kinship that eases the challenges of assimilation. The immigrant experience highlights the profound human need for connection and belonging. The allure of entrepreneurship, often glamorized in popular culture, masks a stark reality. A relentless journey fraught with uncertainty, risk, and the ever-present potential for failure. It's a path less traveled, one that demands an unyielding spirit, an unwavering belief in one's vision, and an unquenchable thirst for challenge. Unlike the predictable trajectory of a traditional career path, entrepreneurship is a leap of faith into the unknown. It's about embracing ambiguity, navigating uncharted territories, and making decisions with limited information and uncertain outcomes. The entrepreneur's journey is not for the faint of heart. The rewards, however, can be immeasurable. Failure, often perceived as a taboo subject in a society obsessed with success, is an inherent part of the entrepreneurial journey. It's a harsh but invaluable teacher, offering insights and lessons that no textbook or business school can replicate. For many entrepreneurs, bankruptcy is not the end, but a pivotal turning point. It's an opportunity to reassess, to learn from mistakes, and to emerge stronger and wiser. It's crucial to foster a culture that normalizes failure as a natural part of the entrepreneurial process, a stepping stone to eventual success. Beyond the financial implications, bankruptcy can take a toll on an entrepreneur's mental and emotional well-being. Navigating the labyrinth of entrepreneurship requires more than just passion and hard work. It demands a strategic mindset, a willingness to adapt, and a relentless focus on execution. Define your why, the driving force behind your entrepreneurial pursuits. Test your ideas early and often, gather feedback from potential customers, and iterate based on real-world data. Surround yourself with mentors, advisors, and peers who can provide guidance, support, and valuable connections. In a crowded marketplace, it's crucial to communicate your value proposition in a clear, concise, and compelling way. The entrepreneurial journey is not a linear path to success. It's a winding road filled with unexpected detours, roadblocks, and moments of doubt. The ability to transform setbacks into stepping stones, to extract valuable lessons from failures, is what separates those who succeed from those who give up. Embrace a growth mindset, viewing challenges as opportunities for learning and development. Analyze your mistakes, identify areas for improvement, and adjust your approach accordingly. Cultivate resilience, the ability to bounce back from adversity, to maintain a positive outlook, and to persevere even when the odds are stacked against you. The entrepreneurial journey is a transformative experience, one that tests our limits and ultimately shapes us into more resilient, resourceful, and innovative individuals. In today's hyper-competitive world, we're constantly bombarded with messages that glorify busyness, equating relentless hustle with success and fulfillment. Social media feeds overflow with stories of entrepreneurs pulling all-nighters, influencers juggling multiple ventures, and thought leaders preaching the gospel of hustle harder, sleep when you're dead. While there's no denying the importance of hard work and dedication, the glorification of hustle culture often masks a dangerous undercurrent. The normalization of overwork, the blurring of boundaries, and the relentless pursuit of achievement at the expense of well-being. The siren song of hustle culture can be alluring, promising a path to success paved with hard work and unwavering commitment. However, it's crucial to recognize the delicate balance between ambition and sustainability to ensure that our pursuit of success doesn't come at the cost of our health, relationships, and overall quality of life. True success encompasses more than just external markers of achievement. It's about living a fulfilling life that aligns with our values, nurtures our passions, and allows us to show up as our best selves in all areas of our lives. Burnout, a state of emotional, physical, and mental exhaustion caused by prolonged exposure to overwhelming stress, is often the insidious underbelly of unchecked hustle culture. Recognizing the warning signs early on is crucial to prevent it from taking root and wreak havoc on our well-being. One of the first signs of burnout is a pervasive sense of exhaustion, feeling drained even after a good night's sleep. Enthusiasm wanes, replaced by a sense of cynicism and detachment from work and other activities that once brought joy. It's essential to heed these warning signs and take proactive steps to address the root causes of burnout before it escalates further. The relentless pursuit of achievement, while often driven by noble aspirations, can take a significant toll on our physical and emotional well-being. When we operate in overdrive for extended periods, our bodies and minds eventually rebel, leading to a cascade of negative consequences. Chronic stress, a hallmark of unchecked hustle culture, disrupts the body's delicate hormonal balance, leading to a surge in cortisol, the stress hormone. Over time, elevated cortisol levels can wreak havoc on our cardiovascular system, increasing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other chronic health problems. The emotional toll of overdrive can be equally debilitating. Anxiety and depression, often fueled by feelings of inadequacy, overwhelm, and the constant pressure to perform, can cast a dark shadow over our lives, robbing us of joy, motivation, and the ability to connect with others meaningfully. It's crucial to acknowledge that sacrificing our health and well-being in the pursuit of success is not a sustainable long-term strategy. True success encompasses a holistic approach that prioritizes both achievement and well-being. Self-care is essential for thriving in today's fast-paced world. It's about prioritizing our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Self-care looks different for everyone. It could be meditating, walking in nature, or enjoying a bath. Pursuing hobbies, spending time with loved ones, or seeking professional help. Identify activities that nourish you and incorporate them into your routine. Set boundaries, say no to draining commitments, and make time for yourself. Self-care is not selfish, it's essential. Prioritize well-being to show up fully in life. Sustainable success, the kind that stands the test of time, requires a shift in mindset from the short-term sprints of hustle culture to the marathon of a fulfilling life. It's about pacing ourselves, setting realistic expectations, and prioritizing our well-being alongside our ambition. One key strategy is to redefine our relationship with time. Instead of viewing time as a scarce commodity to be maximized, we can adopt a more abundant mindset, focusing on optimizing our energy and attention to make the most of the time we have. Delegation is another crucial aspect of sustainable success. Learning to let go of control, to trust others with tasks that don't require our unique skill set, frees up our time and energy to focus on what truly matters, our zone of genius and the activities that bring us joy and fulfillment. Finally, it's essential to cultivate a sense of gratitude to appreciate the journey as much as the destination. Celebrating small victories along the way, acknowledging our progress, and finding moments of joy in the everyday can help us maintain perspective, stay motivated, and avoid the pitfalls of burnout. Beyond the grind, finding purpose and fulfillment. True hustle is about aligning actions with values and pursuing goals that ignite our passions. It's about finding fulfillment in the journey, not just the destination. When we connect with our why, work becomes about making a tangible difference, leveraging our unique skills to create value and contribute to something larger. Finding purpose often starts with a shift in perspective. How can we bring more creativity, innovation, or compassion to our work? The pursuit of purpose is an ongoing journey, requiring introspection and experimentation. Aligning actions with values transforms the hustle into a source of energy and fulfillment. The hustle within, a tapestry of resilience and determination. The hustle mentality fuels countless success stories defying the odds. From bustling streets of immigrant enclaves to high-stakes entrepreneurship, we've seen resilience and determination. Their stories are a testament to the human spirit. We've delved into the entrepreneurial spirit, witnessing innovation and setbacks. Failure is part of the journey, leading us closer to our goals. The hustle is a personal journey, unique to each path. Beyond the grind, embracing balance, purpose, and well-being. True success encompasses more than just external markers of achievement. It's about living a fulfilling life that nurtures our well-being. The glorification of hustle culture often masks the importance of balance and self-care, prioritizing our well-being alongside our professional pursuits. Finding joy in the journey, not just the destination. When we prioritize our well-being, we show up fully in all areas of our lives. The legacy of hustle igniting change, inspiring generations. The hustle mentality has the power to ignite change, break down barriers, and inspire generations. It's about leveraging our skills to make a positive impact. Championing social causes that promote equality, our actions inspire those around us to dream bigger and make a difference. It's about the lives we touch and the communities we uplift, finding a sustainable path that aligns with our values. The hustle is within each of us, waiting to be unleashed.